Hello, my YouTube friends and family. Christy and I, you see her right there. We're down here at Turkey Bay. We're going to do a little riding. I'm going to walk you around the Talon real quick just to show you the things I put on. Super ATV front bumper. Warren winch, that's the Bluetooth winch you can hook to your phone. Of course, you know it's got the Super ATV flip up windshield. Here's where if you want to run your winch with the cable, and there's the on and off switch for that. Of course, the Honda Nerf bars, Honda enclosure, tree kickers, whatever you want to call them. I put the Super ATV spare tire carrier on it, Super ATV enclosure for the trunk. There's your tree kickers again. And then I've taken it out for riding down here, but I have a mounting right here for this mounts my iPad and all when we go to Hatfield McCoy's. So I think that's pretty much everything. We got the windows out of it today because it's right about 80 degrees. And this is the first time we've been back down here in a while. 30 by 10 by 15 Moto Ravage wheels or tires. So I'm putting my life in my wife's hands right now as we're taking off. That's new. It's been since last November, December, I guess, since we've been here. Several people down here today, Labor Day. Of course, this is Kentucky Lake coming up into Turkey Bay. I really didn't know what to expect today with the Labor Day weekend. A lot of people be going home. There's a fella Honda Talon right there. Another Talon. Normally we can ride around the edge of the water, but the water's up. So we're having to take this little trail. Water's way up. Man, you can't even see those islands out there. Now we're kind of on the, I don't know how much of it we can ride, because look at, is that somebody's, what is that orange thing? Somebody's standing, all right. Looks like there's something in the water beside of him. Couldn't tell what it is. Oh, it's another person. They just walked out there. Normally we can drive all the way out across that, but I mean, the water's way up. Most time we're riding down there, right along the edge of that. Probably still could a little bit, but I don't know how far you can get around. Forgot about the Super ATV mirror, but it cracked right in the middle over the winter time. I guess it was cold and doing it, Christian. This is one of our favorite, I guess, trails because it follows the water line so far. See the big concrete on piers out there in the water where they tie those barges up. If it wasn't for getting copyrighted, right now I'd be playing Aerosmith. I'm back in the saddle. Come down. big old rocks in the water too. But we made it. Coming around shining shores. There's a little spot we backed up in. There's that little spot we backed up in. Well, we just came around where that one's going this way. We just come around this way. We've backed up in here in the shade, and we're gonna have a little lunch. Got a little mud on it, and we tipped it a little bit, and it bumped a tree, but I don't see where it tipped into a tree. I don't know really where it hit, but we was on a sidling place back there, and it tipped into a tree just barely. It didn't even leave a mark on it that I can see right there. There's where it scraped it a little bit right there. It's just a road rash. Christy went to Subway, getting it out of the cooler there, and got us some sandwiches. And we got some waters. Gonna enjoy us a good, wholesome lunch. I think you got chips too, don't you?
Yep.
Yeah. Would you rather me turn it around and eat on the back end?
No, that's fine.
This is mine, or don't know?
They're the same.
Oh, they're the same.
I bought a foot
Subway
long.
clubs.
I just had to do a foot long and cut it in half.
Well, isn't that special? Well, I sent Christy up this hill. She walked up it, barely made it up it. Hit the wrong button on the camera, didn't get the video, and then hit time lapse and time lapsed it and made a mess out of it. But anyway, here it is. I scared her to death when I got up at the top here because I had to run up to the top to find a place to land. She thought I was going to run over her. She fell backwards. It was a mess.
Don't tip over on me.
Well, we're almost out of here. We gotta go up through there. I don't know. Kirsty, what do you think? Yeah? No? Walk out? Leave it?
Leave it? That's what I'm thinking.
Leave it and walk out.
We're kind of sitting like this. Put it in low and fast. Oh my gosh.
Ride it, girl, ride it.
Woo! What happened to you? Oh gosh.
Huh?
Oh gosh, I know what we were going to do.
Woo!
Oh
Yeah.
my goodness.
Hey, that's right there is good video. I first came up here in the early 80s. I don't know if there's anybody that remembers when Yamaha come out with a 250 three-wheeler called a Tri-Z 250. They made a limited edition one that was black and red. I had that one. That was the first two-stroke that I came up here with. And then I got a four-wheeler. Honda came out with the 4-tracks, the 250Rs, two-strokes. And of course, I had several buddies that had the three-wheelers when I had the 250, the Tri-Z 250. And then I had several buddies also when I had the four-wheeler, the 250R. And man, we had a blast up here. Well, we're saying bye to the check station, bye to Turkey Bay. We're on our way out. Christy and I had a good time. We enjoyed it. I I scared her when I was coming up that hill. She thought I was going to run over her. It would have been an accident. Guys, thank you for watching. We just wanted to make a small video, and as I say on a lot of them, it's mainly for us, more so than y'all, because it's for our memories and for our grandkids and kids, and when we're gone, they might want to look back on them and watch them. Who knows? Hope y'all have a blessed day.